Yo, 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 happy May 3rd, 2026. It's 11:10 in the morning. It's a Sunday. Yo, what up, Simple Stocks? What up, fam, friends, everybody? What up, world? Listen, hey man, look, lately, excuse me, I have not been posting as much as I like. Well, it's been very, very hard. I'm back to work almost full time, helping out my offices. I'm kind of short staffed right now, so bear with me, you guys. I'm trying to come up with a plan where I can try to at least get up my thoughts to you all the best way I can. And I think right now Sundays I'm gonna have to try to get you guys a Sunday video. Make sure we're drawing some lines, some indicators, so on and so forth, and we're all looking at the same thing. We're trading the IWM, the Russell. This right here, you guys, this is a chart. This is the IWM. This is the daily. The first thing that I want to do on this daily chart, I want to go to the 2 hour. And on the 2 hour, you guys see this candle right here from what is this? Friday, May 1st. It's a 2 hour doji. The very first thing I want to do, you guys, I want to put a box around that. That is a very important candle to me right now that they're drawing. And so what I'm going to do is I want to take this up to the top of my box, which is right around 279.10, and go all the way to the bottom. Okay. Listen, any breach of this box, either to the upside, to the downside of this box, as long as they're staying above this, I expect them to try to start making their way to the next target. And what is the next target, you guys ask? Look, let's figure that out. Let's go to our daily. Go to our daily. I'm going to draw a fib because I think what this fib right here is telling us is we came from here, we're going here, it's here. Listen, I think this target is right around 282.26 right here, which is the 1.2. And if they try to really, really, really breach that, it's going to be at 285.49, you guys. So that's a possible breakout area. So you mean make some mental notes, make some notes. If we're closing above again 279.21, if we start closing above 279.21 on I want to say a 15 to 30 minute basis, you guys, we're going to excel in that direction. We are definitely going to start to excel in that direction. Okay. And on the other hand, what I'm going to do, you guys know what I love to do with my boxes. I always draw a 50% line in my box. So here's my 50% line, and look how perfect that is. That 50% is right here, which is also our what? 786. All right, so listen, they cannot lose this 786. Okay, let me just draw a line here. Da, da, da. Expect them, if they get back in this area, to try to hold. This is the 277.24. They're going to try to hold that with everything they got. Now, listen, it's pretty simple. Either break out of this box and start to make, you know what I mean, this 282.26 journey, or come back into this box. You start hitting your head here. Where are we going from there? I'm going to say to here. Okay. And then expect them to do what? Expect them to try to bounce off of this area. You know what I mean? So what that can look like is this. You know what I mean? And then they try to close on the candle here for the breach. Okay. So that's just something to keep an eye on. That's something I'll be watching. Okay. Let me just take that off. Blah, blah, blah. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna take these off. All right. So those are the things I'll be watching for this week. I kind of want to see how we open up, so on and so forth. Now, on the other hand, you guys, listen. If we start to close candles under here, we are going to the bottom. We're going to this tail wick, in which they will try to hold with dear life. Because you lose this, look at this. Look at this exhaustion. You're coming back here to the 275. Okay, and that's something they don't want to do, but they definitely can because it's what? It's only our 0.5. That is the happy area. Okay, so draw out this fib. Make sure we're watching this fib level, and make sure you're watching this box because we're looking for closing candles outside of this box to give us downward or upward momentum, guys. So that's what I'll be looking for this week. Um, it's pretty much that simple. Listen, I will be in and out of the room. I'll post daily charts best as I can. This morning I posted what I was seeing as a trend, what was overbought, oversold. Give me different tickers if you're curious how the market is looking at it right now. Give me different tickers that we can also look at with questions, ideas, so on and so forth. But as of right now, this is my game plan. This is how I'll be looking to see how we open. And even later on in the night with RTY, everyone knows Sunday. I love watching the Sunday Open. Not exactly when it opens, but more so around like 8, 9 o'clock at night, just to see, okay, what is the market actually saying? And then once again in the morning. So with that being said, man, put this stuff on your radar, put it on your everything you have. Look at the last time we were here. What happened? We got rejection right here. They are going to try to look to break out. So just watch for it, man. Let's listen, heads on the swivel, as we would normally say. But other than that, man, that is my game plan for now. Okay. Listen, we all have a game plan until what? Till we get punched in the fucking face. Hey, simple stop, simple fam. Love y'all, man. Happy Sunday. Good week trading. And look, let's take it from there. Have a good afternoon and evening. Thank you.